Article 95, I think, sub-Article 2, this House has got the mandate to deal with issues concerning the people, issues of concern to the country. And there is no greater issue that is of concern to the country than the plight of sportsmen and women. And therefore, this House is in order to raise those queries that it raised in the manner it did. And therefore, I would want to ask you, Mr. Speaker, that even before we go to the issues, the substantive questions, the matter of this letter needs to be addressed. Yes, by way of you making a pronouncement, where this is the way we shall be proceeding in this House. You know, as a coalition, we have got issues with ministers coming here. I'm sure you know that, Honorable Speaker. But even as they come, we must set the record straight on how they are going to engage with this House and how they are going to treat issues that emanate from this House, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, anything that is pronounced on the floor of this House does not really belong to the person making the pronouncement. It is the House. And if the leader of majority or the leader of minority or any other member raises an issue on the floor of this House, it ceases being their issue. It ceases being their personal issue. It becomes an issue of the House and for the House. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Now, Honorable, 1 minute only, Kajwang, then I give direction.
Mr. Speaker, when matters such as this arise, probably it is good enough that a few members who have been around may also share their sentiments. Mr. Speaker, with all that the majority leader and the minority leader has said, I want to take a different tangent. I think that there is a disorder in the House. Right now, there is disorder in the House. And until that disorder has been